Oh, yes. Let's get this. Okay. Whew. Time to lock up. There you go. Hey guys, Special here, and today we're going to be doing a unboxing video. So today we're going to be unboxing a gaming mouse and a gaming keyboard. So yeah, let's get it straight into the video. So let's actually get this out first. Oh god. Out. Okay, whatever. Okay. This is the easiest way. Ooh. Oh, jeez. Come on. Oh, God. It's stuck. I don't know why it's so stuck, guys. Crud. I think that's why. This is logic. This is logic. When I can't even open a dumb box. Come on! Let's go! Okay, whatever. I don't know why. I am just tearing this off. Come on, guys, we got this. No, why is it stuck? Why is it stuck? We need to, like, grab this completely to get it out. Jeez. Okay, this is taking a while. Sorry about this. I don't know if it's like taped in or not. That's the problem. Let's go! Yes! That's why it is. Oh god! Oh no! We need to get this out, guys. That I may say is all of this. There we go. Hey, at least I didn't break the keyboard. So, ooh. Here, hold up. Look at that. Look at that. It even glows and everything. So you could just put it up where you put all your USBs and all that. So, pretty good. So, now we go this one. I don't know if we need to. Maybe. Oh, I knew that. I knew that completely. Okay. Ooh, guys. Ooh. Another USB one. And check out this mouse, everybody. So, oh, geez. Yeah, this is sick. USB cable, this is really, really, really good. So, yeah, keyboard and mouse. So, thanks for watching, guys. Smash that like button and goodbye.